Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jyoti Pancholi, and in today's video I will show you what all crazy things I have in my bag. Now this bag which I am carrying today is from Zoo, and it's a huge bag and it can almost carry a lot of things. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video and I'll show you what all is there in my bag.
3, 2, 1.
No animal was harmed in the making of these bags, which is so impressive. Now, being a vegetarian, this is one thing which really impressed me a lot. Apart from this, it is an Indian company, a proud Indian company's bag, which is handcrafted. Guys, this is amazing. I'll tell you more about this. Bag I'm carrying today is the Hyderabad iCat travel tote bag. It is very big, guys, and very spacious. In case you want to buy these bags from Zook, I have mentioned the website in my description, and you can also go to this discount coupon and get 10% discount on your purchase. This is a special discount coupon from my side, and you get good discount when you apply this coupon on purchase from the Zook's website, which is mentioned in the description down below. So now let's start with what I have in my bag. Ethnic as well as Western dresses. It is a tote bag which is quite big enough to carry as a travel bag. It's quite big. It has these zips here. Thing in my bag that I carry is a diary because I personally am a overthinker. I think a lot. So when I overthink or feel stressed out about something or confused about some decision, I make it a point to like just jot down the points. So this is one thing which is always there in my bag. Next thing is my hairbrush, which I need all the time. So this hairbrush is always in my bag. I always keep these wet wipes because you never know, you go to a washroom or like you need it. A wet wipe has to be handy all the time. This is one thing which is very weird thing in my bag. Calcium supplement, but why I carry it in my bag is the reason that they are like they just dissolve in water and make you a good fizzy cold drink like any other cola drink that you would love to drink. I've almost finished it and like I have these. So this is like orange flavor. So I love to carry this. So when I feel thirsty or like dehydrated outside, I just pop one of the pills in water and I can have a nice tasty nutritious cola drink. So this is always with me. Apart from my perfumes, I love to carry this roll-on deodorant, which is so easy and like an instant amazing smell. I just love this. So since it's a roll-on, I prefer it to any other deodorant, and I love the smell. So yeah, I'll roll on deodorant. Next is one thing which every one of us should always have in our bag is hand sanitizer because we should always keep our hands sanitized and clean. Next is my medicines because I really get very stressed out very easily, and like so to like to control my moods I need these medicines. They are a must with me. My clutches, my anytime on the go sunscreen. This is very nice. This is from Wow. So apart from this, I have my phone, which is outside now, but usually it's in my bag. This bag also has these, compartments to keep your, like, wallet, your phone, and some cash here. So I keep my cash in this zip here. In this zip here. Right now there is no cash because I use the UPI very often. So and usually today selfie stick नहीं है. नहीं तो I usually carry a selfie stick also in my bag because I love to shoot like anytime, anywhere. So this is what I carry in my bag. I would love to know what you guys carry in your bag. Is there anything special that you carry in your bag? If yes, do comment. And if you like my video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and go to the description to buy this bag from Zoop. The website as well as the coupon code has been given. And that's all in today's video. Thank you for watching and do subscribe for more. Thank you.